Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So here comes the part 4 of our video series in which we are learning the conjugation of Korean verbs in the present, past and future tense, and that too in the most commonly used form of conjugation, that is the informal form of conjugation. So if you have not watched the first 3 parts of this series yet, then you can go and watch them on Korean Express YouTube channel. Now, let's begin with the 4th part. The first one is 가르치다, to teach. 가르쳐요, 가르쳤어요, 가르칠 거예요. 잡다, to catch or to hold. Now, one important note that the period irregular, it does not apply to this verb 잡다. Okay? And if you want to learn in detail about the period irregular, then you can go and watch my video on this particular irregular. I'm also going to share the link of that video in the description. Alright? 잡아요, 잡았어요, 잡을 거예요. 발견하다, to discover or to find. 발견해요, 발견했어요, 발견할 거예요. 돕다, to help. Another very important verb. Why is that? Because 돕다, it follows a slightly different conjugation rule. Okay? It follows the period irregular rule, but in a slightly different way. And what is the difference? That you have to learn by watching my video on period irregular. As I said earlier, I'm going to share the link of that video in the description, so you don't have to worry about the rule of conjugation for 돕다. For now, just learn the conjugation of 돕다 in present, past and future tense. 도와요, 도왔어요, 도울 거예요. 농담하다, to joke. 농담해요, 농담했어요, 농담할 거예요. 실수하다, to make a mistake. 실수해요, 실수했어요, 실수할 거예요. 방문하다, to visit. 방문해요, 방문했어요, 방문할 거예요. 춤추다, to dance. 춤춰요, 춤췄어요, 춤출 거예요. 노래하다, to sing. 노래해요, 노래했어요, 노래할 거예요. 서다, to stand. 서요, 섰어요, 설 거예요. 사랑하다, to love. Now this comes under the list of one of the most popular words in Korean language. If you are a Korean language learner and you are a beginner, then you'll come across this word very earlier in your learning journey. Okay, this is very popular. Everyone wants to know how to say love in Korean, and that is 사랑하다. 사랑해요, 사랑했어요, 사랑할 거예요. 약속하다, to promise. 약속해요, 약속했어요, 약속할 거예요. 던지다, to throw. 던져요, 던졌어요, 던질 거예요. 연습하다, to practice. 연습해요, 연습했어요. 연습할 거예요. 요리하다. To cook. 요리해요. 요리했어요. 요리할 거예요. Alright, so we learned the conjugation of 15 Korean verbs in the present, past and future tense in the informal form. Now, let's do some sentence practice and see how to use these verbs in Korean sentences. Okay? Now, before we start, I'll tell you one thing, and that is the sentences that I have put in this sentence practice, they are pretty simple. Okay? Because I want you all to focus on the usage of verbs in sentences, not on the grammar part of the sentence. Okay, this is not a grammar video. This is a video in which we are learning about verbs in Korean. So let's focus on the usage of verbs in Korean sentences. Okay? Alright, let's begin. The first one is, that teacher teaches English. 그 선생님은 영어를 가르쳐요. Here we are using the verb to teach, and that too in the present tense. So it will be conjugated as 가르쳐요. Okay, and you can see that the remaining sentence, that is very easy for us to frame. Okay, very easy grammar I have used. Next is, I will catch the ball. 저는 공을 잡을 거예요. Here we have conjugated the verb to catch in the future tense. Okay? Next is, I discovered a new restaurant. 저는 새로운 식당을 발견했어요. Here, the verb 발견하다, which means to discover or to find, is being used in past tense. Okay? Next is, I helped my mom. 저는 엄마를 도왔어요. The verb to help conjugated in the past tense. My friend jokes. 저의 친구는 농담해요. Very simple. You just have to use this verb 농담하다 in the present tense. Okay? So as you can see, it is very easy for us to use these verbs in sentences. Let's move ahead. I made a mistake. 저는 실수했어요. 실수하다 in the past tense. I will visit my sister tomorrow. 저는 내일 언니를 방문할 거예요. Here, the verb to visit is being conjugated in the future tense. 방문할 거예요. Okay? Next is, we danced together at the wedding. 우리는 결혼식에서 함께 춤추었어요. The verb 춤추다 in the past tense. Okay? And 함께 means together in Korean. And the Korean word for wedding is 결혼. But when we are talking about wedding as an event, then it is 결혼식. Okay? Next is, my dad will sing at the party. 저희 아빠는 파티에서 노래할 거예요. The verb to sing is being conjugated in the future tense. I stood on the table. 저는 테이블 위에 섰어요. The verb to stand in past tense. Okay? Alright, now the last 5 examples. I love my mom. 저는 엄마를 사랑해요. Here, the verb 사랑하다 in the present tense. I promised my friend. 저는 친구에게 약속했어요. The verb 약속하다 in the past tense. Next is, I will throw the ball. 저는 공을 던질 거예요. Here, we have conjugated the verb 던지다 in the future tense. I will practice guitar. 저는 기타를 연습할 거예요. The verb 연습하다 is being conjugated in the future tense. And the last one is, Mom cooks delicious food. 엄마는 맛있는 음식을 요리해요. Yurihada in the present tense. Okay? Alright, so in this video, we learned the conjugation of 15 very common Korean verbs. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.